I'm Robin Jaques. I'm the Aerospace and Defence Sector Head here at SA Partners. SA Partners has been in existence for over 20 years. We were founded in the early 90s by Professor Peter Hines, who at the time was also co-founder of the Lean Enterprise Research Centre at Cardiff University. Over the years we've grown successfully and we have established offices in Europe, in Dublin in Ireland, in the Middle East, Sydney in Australia, in New Zealand and most recently in Detroit in the United States. Our offer to you is to help you create sustainable improvement in your organisations. Sustainable improvement that's clearly linked to the strategic challenges that you face and engages your people. Not only do you need to focus on process thinking, but in tandem you also need to address the thinking and behaviour that created the problem in the first place. Addressing the thinking and behaviour is most effectively done by good strategy deployment and good ideal behaviour deployment that aligns people to the purpose of the organisation. So we've worked in the aerospace and defence sector for more than 20 years since the foundation of the business. We've worked with the Ministry of Defence, we've worked with major OEs and also in their supply base, and we've worked actively with SMEs through our role as a partner of the SC21 programme. So how might the team at SA Partners work with you? Our work typically covers the following 4 areas. Initially we'd look to assess your current position. We run structured training programs. Part of the training delivery is also to coach the application of that new knowledge in the workplace. By applying the knowledge in the workplace, they also deliver business results, which returns on the investment in the first place. The emphasis of our work reflects where you are on your excellence journey. We see 3 phases. In phase 1, life's pretty uncomfortable. It's unpredictable, reactive. You don't know why tomorrow gives you the performance you get. In phase 2, life is a lot calmer. Things are more stable, more predictable and more consistent, and more importantly, people start to have time to critically and constructively reflect on how work works in their area. As we move into phase 3, we're starting to liberate that capacity and constructive and critical thinking about how work works to deliver day in, day out improvements to the organisation. This excellence agility phase is the phase that lots of businesses strive to achieve, but it's very wrong to start an improvement journey with this medicine if actually life is pretty volatile. If life is volatile, then the improvement message needs to be much more around standardisation and control, which creates the foundation for ongoing improvement. The scope of our work with you is defined by the SA Partners Enterprise Excellence Model. We look in 6 areas. We look at purpose, how you've aligned your people and your teams, how you've engaged people through the deployment of ideal behaviours. We also look at the important people asset lifecycle process in your organisation. We look at your core processes, so your processes that fulfil orders to your customers. And finally, we look at the improvement system that sits behind these major processes. So by using these 3 core ideas, thinking about enterprise excellence, thinking about your journey through time, and thinking about how our role changes, we think that we can make your businesses better, and better sustainably. So that's us. We'd love the opportunity to work with you. If you'd like to know more about us, more about some of the ideas discussed in this video, then please contact us on the number below.